Hi and Assalamualaikum and welcome to my presentation PSM 1. Okay, my name is Hasmah Binti Syarifuddin. My matrix number is CN190134. My supervisor name is TS Dr. Sitihana Binti Nasir, and today I'll be presenting on topic durability of bamboo charcoal coating on fabric after washing and abrasion test. Okay, for the first chapter it will be introduction. As for the research background, bamboo plant is known to be the fastest growing plant, sustainable, affordable, and eco-friendly in Malaysia. As a plant with many uses and a wide range of application, bamboo is recognized for its adaptability and versatility. This includes construction, producing furniture as a food supply, assistance to the pharmaceutical industry, and a variety of other fields. The bamboo charcoal powder are used in this thesis project. Bamboo charcoal powder is a type of charcoal that is manufactured from different species of bamboo. It can eliminate odors, absorbs excess moistures, eliminates harmful pathogens and chemical, and many more. The sample is used to run on SEM analysis in order to inspect the structure of the coated fabric after the washers test and the abrasion test. Okay, as for the problem statement, the current studies are looking for other ways to replace conventional non-renewable resources with the ones that are more environmentally friendly, recyclable, and biodegradable. This is where bamboo charcoal comes in as a renewable resource because bamboo is a plant that grows fast, 1 to 4 inches per day, and has the capacity to grow quickly after being chopped down. The bamboo charcoal treated fabric has shown a good washing fastness to the washing process and a good durability on the fabrics. It also shows that the resulting fabric possesses a useful and important functional quality such as anti-odor, healthcare, moisture absorption, and wicking when the bamboo charcoal are being used in the textile industry. It's also a new way to inspect the structure of the bamboo charcoal coated fabric by using the scanning electron microscopy, or also known as SEM. Next is objective. This project is conducted to achieve the following objective. The first objective is to investigate the physical and the surface morphology of bamboo charcoal coated fabric. Second, to analyze the durability of bamboo charcoal coated fabric through exposure to abrasion and after several cycles of washing. Okay, next, the scope of the study. Okay, the bamboo charcoal powder are supplied from Pakar B2E that are based in Malaysia. The polyester fabric was used as the fabric material in this thesis project. The following solution concentration was used to apply the bamboo charcoal particles to the fabrics, in which bamboo charcoal 2%, flexible acrylic binder 1%, wetting agent 2%, and the material liquid ratio was 1:20. A homogenizer machine was used to mix the bamboo charcoal solution for 15 minutes at a speed of 5000 rpm. The fabric was soaked in a solution of bamboo charcoal for 10 minutes, then it was padded 4 times in a paddle mangle to give the fabric a coating. Then the fabric will be dried at 90 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes before being preserved in the universal oven for 4 minutes at a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. Next, the method of laundering was performed in accordance with the ISO 6330. The treated fabrics were washed ranging from 1 to 5 times, in which depending on the sample group. Okay, the abrasion resistant testing was conducted out in accordance with guidelines provided in standard ASTM D4966/98. The SEM was used in order to successfully complete the physical characterization testing. A comparison was made between the structure of the uncoated fabric and the structure of the coated fabric before and after being washed for 1 to 5 cycles, as well as after the abrasion resistant test. Okay, next, the significance of the study. Okay, this study mainly focused on the benefit of the society, considering that bamboo plays an essential role in the new technology today. This study needed a thorough comprehension of the effects of the bamboo charcoal on the treated fabric as well as the durability of the treated fabric after numerous washing and abrasion testing. This research can also help the textile industry in order to produce antibacterial and anti-odor textile for use in healthcare, tourism and transportation. Next is Chapter 2 on Literature Review. Next, on the previous case study, the first, Zhang Yixin, Qiu Guofeng, Wang Rumeng, year 2021. The title of the previous study is the preparation of bamboo based hierarchical porous carbon modulate. The findings that I found from this previous case study is the bamboo charcoal possesses an absorption and adsorption capabilities. Okay, next, Isa SSM, Ramli MM, Castu SR, year 2016. The adsorption, properties and potential application of bamboo charcoal. The findings that I found in this case study is determining the bamboo charcoal structure before and after activation. Okay, the third previous case study is from Ackerfeld Maria, year 2015. The title is Electrically Conductive Textile Coatings. The findings that I found determining the pad coating method on the fabric. Okay, number 4, the last one is Mohammed Azad and Abdullah Avin, year 2018. The title is Scanning Electron Microscopy, SEM. The findings that I found is determining the method on to use the machine. Next, we will be proceeding with Chapter 3, in which methodology. Okay, first let's start with the flowchart. Okay, the flowchart will be continued. First, we will start, and then the background of the study, and then collecting the information of the bamboo charcoal from various resources, and then the process of preparing the polyester fabric and the coating solution, in which cutting and weighing the material. Okay, if yes, it will be continued to the coating solution. If it's no, it will be going back to the process of preparing the polyester fabric and the coating solution. Okay, after the coating solution, if yes, it will be divided into two, in which coated sample, in which uncoated, and then the washing fastness, 1 to 5 cycle of washes, and then the abrasion resistance test, in which include 1 to 5 times of washing the samples. Okay, next it will be SEM analysis. After SEM analysis, we will through the SEM analysis, we will be analyze the results and the discussion, and then summarize findings and finalize the report, and then end. Okay, next in the methodology, it will be in the material. Okay, the bamboo charcoal is the main raw material. The bamboo charcoal was sourced from Pakar B2E. In terms of the fabric that will be used in this thesis project, a polyester woven fabric with 103.78 gram per meter cube weight and 0.015 millimeter thickness was used in the study according to the ASTM 3776 and ASTM D1777 respectively. Next, it will be the coating preparation. The solution for the bamboo charcoal microparticles was prepared using the following recipe, in which bamboo charcoal powder at a concentration of 2%, flexible acrylic binder at a rate of 1%, and wetting agent at a rate of 2% with a material liquor ratio of 1:20. When the weight of the fabric is 100 gm, 200 ml of ionized water is required for a 1:20 ratio. To get the mixture for the solution, 20 gram of bamboo charcoal and 10 gram of acrylic binder and 20 gram of wetting agent were combined to get the mixture. The bamboo charcoal solution was mixed with a homogenizer for 15 minutes at a speed of 5000 RPM. Next, it will be the implementation of the bamboo charcoal on the fabric. Okay, the pad dry curing process was carried out so that the bamboo charcoal particles could be absorbed into the fabric. The piece of fabric was first submerged in the bamboo charcoal particle solution for 10 minutes before being put through into the paddle mangler machine. The process was done for 3 times for each of the fabric sample. The formula for calculating the percentage of wet pickup is as follows. Wet pickup in percent equals to W after W before over W before times 100, where W before is the mass of the fabric before padding, and W after is the mass of the fabric after padding. This formula was derived by weighing the treated fabric as it emerged before from the paddle mangler machine. Next, the pressure exerted by the pad roller was 2 kg per cm. After that, a sample of the coated fabric was allowed to dry for 10 minutes at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, and it was then subjected to curing for 4 minutes at a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. The dry and curing process of the treated fabric, it will be done by using the universal oven. It shows in the picture the paddle mangler machine and the universal oven that was used for pad drying and curing process. Next, it will be the washing fastness testing. The bamboo charcoal coated cloth was washed in a Type B top load washing machine to test its durability following the standard of the ISO 6330. This was done to test bamboo charcoal's durability on fabric. 100 grams of liquid detergent per 200 mm was used to wash to 1 kg of samples and a dummy load. Okay, samples are dried after washing. The samples will be dried using the flat dry method, which involves spreading them out on a flat surface to eliminate wrinkles and letting the air to dry them. The sample were organized into 5 separated groups according to the washing procedures, in which 1 to 5 washing cycle. Abrasion resistant testing. The Martindale abrasion tester is used to determine a textile abrasion resistant. Abrasion resistant is a fabric's resistant to other materials when it generates friction. The Martindale abrasion test is used to determine the durability of the bamboo charcoal coated fabric. According to the STM D4966/98, samples are rubbed against a standard cloth for 5,000 cycles, with the direction is adjusted. Sample diameters were 38 and 140 mm. The 38 mm sample will be weighed before and after 5,000 rubbing cycles to calculate the coated fabric's weight loss due to abrasion. The picture shows the Martindale abrasion tester. The last part in the methodology is scanning electron microscopy, which also known as SEM. Scanning electron microscopy, or known as SEM, uses a focused beam of high energy electrons to generate signals on solid specimens. Next, the signals that are produced as a result of interaction between electrons and samples reveal information about the sample, such as its exterior morphology, chemical compositions, crystalline structure, and the orientation of the materials that comprise the sample. Last chapter is chapter 4, expected outcomes and conclusion. Next, expected outcomes in this thesis project. The bamboo charcoal coated fabric has gained an entry throughout the fashion industry due to the luxurious softness, smooth flowing, and affordable rates. It also can control the microbial growth, which is one of the primary reasons for its popularity. The demand in the market currently is into the application of bamboo charcoal on treated fabric that remains durable even after numerous washing. These are the reasons why the demand for bamboo charcoal is increasing. At the present, the market as a whole is more interested in items that are better for the environment and that are produced from renewable sources. As a conclusion, this thesis research considers numerous issues. The current studies are investigating the durability of bamboo charcoal coated fabric by exposing it to abrasion and washing cycles. This is why bamboo charcoal is used in textile application to ensure coating solutions are effective. Next objective is to investigate the bamboo charcoal coated fabric, physicals, and surface morphology. This was observed with a scanning electron microscopy, which is SEM, which allows users to study the structure of the bamboo charcoal coated fabrics and how it improves the coating solution distribution. This thesis project also used a pad coating method. After soaking textile fibers in bamboo charcoal solution, rollers squeeze the surplus formation out of the clothes. After the pad coating method, the bamboo charcoal coated fabric will undergo a wash fastness test and an abrasion test in order to determine its durability and using a scanning electron microscopy. These are some of the references that are used to find the resources in the thesis. Lastly, this is the Gantt chart for the PSM1. That's all from me. Thank you.